To download Harloff spec sheets, open your preferred browser and head to the Harloff website. You can do this by typing www.harloff.com directly into your web browser or by completing a Google search for the Harloff Company. If doing a Google search, click the first link that appears in your search results to head directly to our site, or you can also click the website button that appears to the right of the results. Once at harloff.com, hover your mouse over any of the product categories highlighted in the red ribbon towards the top of the screen to find the type of cabinet or cart you're looking for. If looking for a specific SKU number, you can also type that SKU directly into the search bar at the top right corner of the screen and press enter to go straight to that product page. Every cart or cabinet listing page on our site includes an individual sales sheet that can easily be downloaded directly to your device. To complete this download, scroll down past the product's long description and click the link titled Download Product Spec Sheet. This will open the spec sheet in a separate tab, which can then be downloaded by clicking the downward pointing arrow icon in the upper right corner. To complete the download, just pick your preferred location or folder for the spec sheet to be saved, name the document your preferred title, and hit the save button. This process works for all Harloff spec sheets. However, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to send them to our dedicated customer service staff by emailing customerservice@harloff.com or calling 719-637-0300.